Researching Local Law for the Environmental Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. A municipality is a town, city, or other local government formed by a municipal charter granted by the state. These charters set up the city or town government much the way a constitution sets up state or federal governments. Municipalities have only the authority granted to them by statute or under constitutional provisions. Municipalities legislate by enacting ordinances. Many areas of environmental law, while regulated by the federal and state governments, can also be affected by municipal ordinances. Municipal codes are codifications of local ordinances arranged by subject. Not too long ago, you would have needed to visit the local town or city hall to access the ordinances of that city or town. Occasionally, a local library or statewide law library would also have copies, and some major cities like Boston or New York would actually have their city code published and available for purchase. A new cottage industry of codifying and hosting municipal codes is evolving. Many different publishers provide different interfaces and methods of finding and searching. Now, most local governments provide their municipal codes and ordinances online. Some municipalities codify their own ordinances and publish them directly on their websites. Others send their ordinances off to companies who are paid to create and maintain a municipal code for the municipality. Codes can move from one publisher to another or from one interface to another. There is no one place where you can quickly and easily find or search all municipal codes. But here are some tips for dealing with local laws. Many state law libraries have compiled the list of links to the local laws for their municipalities. This can be helpful because it can help you find a particular city or town's code or laws, and even more importantly, verify that a particular municipality has actually not posted all or at least some of its laws online. Most of the code publishers provide links to the municipal codes they publish, sometimes geographically, like this page from Code Publishing Company that provides links to the codes by state. Some publishers, like Sterling Codifiers, provide not just geographic access, but also access to codes by topic. This can be very helpful if you're trying to draft an ordinance for your city or town. Some publishers, like Municode, have municipal codes from all over the country, while others focus on a particular part of the country, like Quality Code Publishing, which includes codes from Western states only. Some publishers, like American Legal Publishing, allow anyone to search across all the codes it publishes, while other publishers allow searches across jurisdictions only to those with a paid subscription. General Code, which publishes the eCode 360 library, covers much of the country and provides a number of useful tools for the user. For example, this code from Wayland, Massachusetts provides multiple access points. In addition to being able to search the entire code or selected chapters, you can also browse the table of contents on the left or browse an index to help you find relevant code provisions. One easy way to find a municipal code or ordinance is to search Google for the city or town name and the word ordinance. You can see on this results page from a search for Albert Lea, Minnesota ordinance, both a link to the city code on the city webpage and also a link to the code on the Municode site where the code is housed. Other cities like Newton, Massachusetts codify and publish their own codes. Newton posts an unofficial version of its code as a series of PDF documents. As with any other type of statutory research, be sure to check the currency of any code you are using and know how to find those ordinances that are too new to be included in the code. Sometimes you will need to contact the city or town hall to make sure there hasn't been a recent change. Some publishers, like Sterling Codifiers, the publisher of the Athens, Illinois code shown here, make it very easy to find out if there are any ordinances too recent to be codified. Also remember that you shouldn't look at local laws in a vacuum, but also research applicable state and federal statutes and cases that are also binding.